How to back up WhatsApp business messages. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can back up the WhatsApp business messages. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can back up your WhatsApp business account, your messages of your WhatsApp business, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. First of all, launch the WhatsApp business application on your device. If you don't have the application on your device, you may just simply download it from the available app store onto your device and launch it. After launching it, you'll be able to find this option called agree and continue. Just tap on continue, and you need to enter your account detail and log in into your account. And after you have entered the 6-digit code, you'll be finding this option called restore a backup if you have turned on backup previously on your WhatsApp account. So tap on continue. After that, it will look up for backup. Just allow every thing they are asking for, and it will look for backups. If any backup is available for your account, just tap on this restore. After that, wait for the restoration to be completed. It may take about a minute or a while for the restore to be completed, and after that your chat should be restored in your WhatsApp business account. Apart from this, there is another method as well. If you want to back up your chats, for that just wait for this to be completed. So after you have logged in into your WhatsApp business account, just head over to the top three dot at the top right corner. After that, tap on settings, and you'll be finding this option called chats. Go to the chat section and simply back it up just like you usually do on the WhatsApp application as well. And that's how you basically recover your WhatsApp business account chats. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.